You're so lucky.
Alright, you guys can count your own. Problem is, whoever we detect first, we don't have a line sensor, so it's gonna knock them off, and whoever's spinning in the corner is gonna win.
I bet we spin. It spins so ferociously. That's just terrifying.
Alright, someone's them off.
We've been in this. We've watched this happen. Get him! Oh, see ya. No!
We're still spinning it.
Yes! Team it up on him. Get him! Yes! Oh my gosh, that was beautiful.
I think that's something up with our sensors going
I think
spin and hit that sensor. Turn around. Oh, I didn't see it yet. See
it's gonna see it. Yeah.
There we go. See if we had movement like that starting out.
Ah! We're just gonna juke around you.
Here goes round two. Push.
Yes. It's too close. That sensor can't see that close.
Like a dance.
Yeah.
Dang it, we're so good. We keep hitting your little side things.
I like that we just.
Sensor. That thing sucks.
No, it was fine. Like at the start of this lab, it was doing everything it needed to.
Yeah.
Yeah, but when it's right on it like that, it doesn't see it.
I think we just need to mount it better somewhere.
He's just like, nope.
We totally would have won the match before.
Gee, we gotta go to the lab.
We've already been through.
I think a robot news is new though.
You gonna back in?
No, slow down. Yeah, it's perfect.
This is amusing. What is the second sensor? Or the second switch?
Hey, these are supposed to be autonomous, right?
Yeah. Well, I'm gonna get you.
Dang it, we gave up. We had it killed.
I know. We get too close, and that sensor's just like, nope. We got nothing. Yes. Yes. Get him, buddy. It gets too close. Every time, it's just... Ah! Ryan! She just holds it.